Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. Welcome to our AI research channel. Hope you are all doing well. Today, we will discuss about another interesting and innovative prototype using AI agent, a gigantic AI in ISS, International Space Station. As you all know, agent technology is growing very fast, very fast. We will see some of the top predictions for AI agent by big companies, big predictors. Gartner says by 2028, around 15% of the daily work decisions will be made through agentic AI. Also predict that agentic AI will be the number one trend in 2025. McKinsey and Company says AI agent can have a much faster rate of adoption in coming years to become as commonplace as chatbots are today. Forrester says AI agent will be the top emerging tech trends for 2025. Similarly, Anderson, IBM, Google, Capgemini, Stanford University, they also predict that all that AI agent will be the top priorities in the coming years. So this is the agentic era, right? And we have been talking about the agent technology. Now let's see what is AI agent. AI agents are autonomous systems that can perform tasks, analyze the data, and make decisions without direct human intervention. And those who want to know more about the intro part of the AI agents, we have our previous video in this link. You can watch here. So, AI agent can be used in almost all the domain. It may be a healthcare or retail or banking, finance, securities, insurance, education, automobiles, travel management, aviation, and some of the unexplored areas like space exploration. And our prototype is going to demonstrate how AI agent can be leveraged in real-time application such as ISS International Space Station real-time tracking. The ISS is a space station that orbits Earth, serving as a research lab for scientific experiments and technology demonstrations in microgravity. And AI agent analyze the telemetry data from the ISS, allowing for real-time tracking and monitoring of the equipment, astronaut names and health, and station performance. Now we will see some of the differences between the technologies. We have seen the traditional AI, and we also have the Gen AI, and how this agentic AI is different from these technologies. So if you look at the primary functions of the traditional AI, it automates the repetitive task. Whereas the Gen AI, the, it will generate a, the contents like a text, code, images. Whereas the agentic AI, it will have a goal, and based on the goal, it will have a task and it will make the decision making, and different agents will work on the tasks. If you look at the autonomy of the traditional AI is it will be very low, relies on the algorithms and set of the rules, whereas the Gen AI it works based on the prompts, user prompts and guidance. The agentic AI, the autonomy will be very high, so it needs a very minimal human oversight. As far as the learning is concerned, in traditional AI, it's a predefined rules and human intervention will be more. Gen AI it is totally based on the data. So data driven learning learns from the existing data. Agentic AI it will use the reinforcement learning. It improves its capabilities through the experience. And the human intervention will be very high in the traditional AI. For the Gen AI, of course, it's a moderate because it generates the text and code and images. It will be moderate. The agentic AI, the human intervention will be very low. It's a low. And let's take an example also. In most of the companies, we have a order processing, right? If I'm using the traditional AI, it verifies the payment, updates the inventory, and categorizes the orders. Gen AI, it personalizes the email content, it recommends some of the products in the order processing. In the agentic AI, in the order processing, it decides when to reorder the stock automatically, chooses the optimal shipping routes. So those type of decisions will be made automatically in the air in the agent technology. Okay, now let us see the demo part. For the purpose of the demo, I created 6 different agents like an astronaut explorer, astronaut writer, astronaut critic, a real-time tracker, scientist names, and current locations. This is our simple UI. Once the user gives a task to the agent will work on that task and publish the results. The home section agent will get the results directly from Pro and it summarizes the results and publish on the home section. The real-time section, it will show the real-time tracking of the ISS. Scientist section, the agent will show the scientist names who are presently associated with the ISS. And the last section, like ISS location section, it will show the latitude and the longitude of the ISS in the real time. So now let's give the task. The task says write a short, structured report summarizing the key points, purpose, and major milestone of the ISS. Also publish the real-time tracking information, including the current longitude and latitude of the location. Okay, now let me give this one here. Yeah, query has been submitted. Let's give OK. And the agents are working now. We will also open. Yes, now it has come. So as I mentioned, the home section will have the details of the ISS. It is showing the purpose of the ISS. The International Space Station is a modular space station in low Earth orbit. It is collaborative project of five participating space agencies, like different countries have joined here. Now, so this is directly coming from the Gemini Pro as summarized report. So the agent will collect the information from the outside world, and it is trying to summarize it, and then it is publishing the results. Similarly, we will see the some of the scientist name, and yeah, this is the scientist name. It is directly pulling from the NASA website. So these are the scientists, they are associated, presently associated with the ISS. And we can also see the ISS location. See, this is the current latitude and longitude of the ISS. If you look at the time here, you can see today's date and the time is 2:46. So the current moment, at this moment, where it is located, how it is revolving. So that you can see it here. So the current latitude and longitude, and you can also see the real time with a graph. So this red bubble, the circle, is the ISS location. It keeps moving, it keeps changing. Say about after 5 minutes, this will come here, right? Because real time they keep changing it. Yeah. So this is the information, and this is the real time ISS location, the scientist name, and the ISS the latitude and the longitude of the current location. Okay. Now, yeah, we will also talk about the architecture part. So let me go back to the PPT now. So this is our tech stack for this demo. The Pytorch is the first and foremost the Pytorch, BERT, cosine similarity, Gemini Pro, Langchain, CrewAI, of course, the for software engineering, Angular, Fast API, REST API. These three things, right, for the NLP part, and these three, like Gemini Pro, Langchain, CrewAI for LLM part, and these three for the software engineering. Now, the present architecture can easily be upgraded with a message brokers like RabbitMQ or Kafka, embedding databases like ChromoDB or Pinecone or something else. It can also be extended to a EDD framework, EDD architecture like event-driven design, asynchronous processing. It can also be upgraded to a type of a based on the individual prompt. The agent will invoke either external APIs or the LLMs or the function calling of the LLMs, depending on the nature of the task. Yeah, if you are going back to the application, the location of the ISS would have been changed because it's going very fast. And yeah, look at this. Previously it was here and now it has come here. The speed of the ISS is very fast. It is 17,130 miles per hour. In other words, 28,000 kilometers per hour. That is why the scientists who are staying inside the ISS will be able to see 16 sunrises and sunsets in 24 hours. So it's very fast. And what we are doing is we are getting the real time, the location tracking. using the agents. I hope you would have enjoyed the video, the live demo. Friends, our channel AI Research is built on a purpose: learning, building innovative solutions, and sharing to the outside world. It is not for any monetary benefits from YouTube. So please subscribe, like it, and share it with your network. Thank you so much once again for watching this video.